Hello everyone, this is Barker Technical Solution and I am Firdaus Rahman. In our previous video we have seen how you can create a circuit in the TINKERCAD website, and today we will see how we can actually simulate all of this just like in our real life. So to do that we have to first program our Arduino Uno. So to do that we have to go to this option called code, and then we will see something like this. So this is not very familiar to us, but as we are familiar with the code block or Arduino IDE, so we'll click on this block option and we'll see another option called text. So click on that and continue. So this is what we are more familiar with. So in our Arduino IDE, that's how we program. So if I delete all this and if I go to our Arduino IDE and let's copy this code, which is the code for this circuit, and paste it here, and that's all we have to do. So if you don't have this code, you can actually download it from this video in the cart, and you can, or if you want, you can actually write your own program here just like the Arduino IDE. So after we have done all of this, what we have to do is we have to click on the start simulate option, and then it will be initializing. And if I now close this code option and if I click on this button, you will see the LED is now on, and if I click again, you will see the LED is turning off. It is on and now it is off. So now if I stop the simulation, it won't work again, but that's how actually we can simulate all of this. Now if we want to download the code, after you have written the code here, you would actually want to download the code and save it for your later use. So just click on this download option and your code will be downloaded. And then if you want to actually add additional libraries or include additional libraries in your code or in your program, then you can actually click on here and you can include all of this in your program. And this option actually lets you control the size of this font. So medium would be best, and if you want to then see your circuit as a schematic, or you want to download this not as a image or as a image of schematic, you can just click on this schematic view option and you will get a very beautifully done schematic image here. And as you can see, it is very refined and perfectly routed. Everything is done perfectly, and you can just click on this download PDF option and the schematic will be start downloading. And then this option here is the component list. So all of the components that you have used are here, and the quantity is also here. And if you rename all of this component, if you have already renamed all of this component, like if I rename this LED, then if I then go to the component list, you will see that this is actually written as DLED. So I think I have written, so this is written as LED. So this is very helpful also, because you can actually know, or if you have built anything in this simulator and then you want to buy all this component and you want to build it in your real life, then you can actually download this list and use it to buy all of the components. And if you want to learn more about this website, or if you want more stuff for as a tutorial, you can click on here on this blue LED and it will take you to a page which is called Learning Center of this TINKERCAD website, and click on the circuit option and you will see there is a lot of pre-built circuit here, and you can click on any of this and you can watch a lesson on that circuit, and then you can actually build it in that circuit designing panel and then program the Arduino to simulate. And that's how you can actually circuit in TINKERCAD. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.